Good morning and welcome to another week's video. Hope you're all well. So jobs for today, I'll quickly show you, but before I do, I'd just like to say thank you again for everyone who subscribed to this channel. Just reached 200 subscribers, so that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much for everyone who subscribed. For those of you who've just tuned in and watched for the first time, my name's Rich. I've got a VW T25 that we call Poly Grey. Just watch us do it up back into being a camper van. That's something that you might find interesting. You know what, please consider subscribing and join us. So guys, if you remember in a previous video, I repaired that exhaust that I had from the breakage yard. So I'm going to try and put that on. The weather's terrible, I won't be doing any paint work. Well, it's showery, so won't be doing any paint work probably today. Don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. British weather is very unpredictable, so got all the components. Well, I haven't got all the components, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So got the gasket that goes onto that bit of exhaust. I've got the one bracket that comes down. That bracket then also fits underneath, under by the sump there. You'll see just point to it, fits there. The only issue I've got, and I can't get, which is going to be today's sort of project, is from that bracket there to there is another small bracket, and I believe it will look something similar to that. I haven't got and I can't get from anywhere. So I am going to attempt to try and make my own bracket for it today. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use, I think it's a thick piece of aluminium. It's the only thing I've got lying around. I'm going to try and bend that into shape and use that and see whether that works, see where we go. It may not work. But yeah, we'll see. If I can get that similar to shape, I think steel would be ideal, but I haven't got any. Not that thickness anyway, to make this bracket. So I'm going to attempt to do it with that. And see how we get on. Say the weather's, it's brightened up a little bit now, look. But it's been raining all morning. I'm going to fit that bracket and everything I need to fit on now. It's going to be difficult to show you guys in video, but I'll do what I can as normal. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to put that one bracket on first, that's that side, and then see what sort of shape this other bracket has to be before we go any further. Right then guys, first stage is done. I'll put this bracket on whether I don't know, but that was an absolute pain in the arse to get back on and get everything lined up. It's took absolutely ages. There's one of these at the top, and to get it all lined up and all in together all at once, it's been an absolute nightmare. I thought, to be fair, if someone had said to me at the start of this job, if I'd have said to start this job, you've got to put that bracket on there and put a few bolts in, I thought that's going to take 10 minutes. It's absolutely took forever. Trying to get the bolts in, trying to get it all lined up right, absolute pain. I've had to even elongate some of these holes with a cone cutter, which I've had to go out and get to get it. So I had to go out and grab a cone cutter. I hadn't got any Allen keys, so I had to get some Allen keys. This is obviously the reality of being a mechanic. Look at the state of me. Love it though. Getting all grimy. So yeah, I thought, oh, you know, a few hours, I'll have this like stuck in. Now look, one bracket. That's what I've done. Imagine if I got like a full engine rebuild. Look at the state of me. Then I'll put one bracket on the back of a bumper, and it's everywhere, isn't it? So, right. So that bracket's on. Thank God. I haven't even started. I haven't even started making the bracket that I don't even know what it looks like. So. I'm going to offer this exhaust up now and see what roughly, and try and template one out. So just bear with me just a sec. We'll try and get this done. We'll try, maybe that's it for today, but try again tomorrow, I guess. That's what it's going to look like when it's on. I've not fitted it on quite correctly just as yet. What I'm going to do, I think, I'll show you the bracket that I'm probably going to have to make underneath. That looks quite nice, that one. I'll show you that. What I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm probably going to leave for today. It's took me way longer than what I expected. I'm going to show you underneath, and I'll show you what bracket. I think I'm going to have to make some sort of supporting bracket for it. So I'll quickly show you that, and then tomorrow I'm going to get it back up on the ramps, I think, and carry on, see if I can get it fitted better than this. So I'll show you, just right there. I don't know how well this is going to come out under here, especially trying to hold the phone and show you guys. So that's the exhaust there, and that's the bracket. So to me, there's got to be some L-shape sort of bracket there to hold that exhaust. It just wouldn't just stay there like that, would it? So but to fit the exhaust a little bit better tomorrow, I'm going to have to take it off the turbo end as well, I think, just to loosen it up. So that's me done for today, I think. Yeah guys, that's me done for today. It's like I say, these little jobs, they just take forever. I mean, I'm no mechanic, but even I reckon could have, you know, put an exhaust on it, just takes time, I guess. Bit of a nightmare, so I'm going to carry on with that tomorrow. See you in a sec, guys. Right then, how are you all doing? Hope everyone's well. I didn't post Sunday. It was raining all weekend, so I managed to fit the exhaust. I'll give it a bit of a test run in the week, and I'll show you what all that looks like. I think jobs for this weekend, so I've been saying it the last couple of weeks, but I'm struggling now to get supplies and anything. So really, I'm just going to, I only undersealed half the van, so I did all the front and lifted the front up, so I'm going to just lift the back up. I'm going to lift the back up now and just grind all the bits of surface rust underneath there, and underseal underneath there this weekend. I think needs to be able to keep dry if it keeps raining. Weather's a bit unpredictable at the minute. So yeah, I'll show you what the exhaust looks like on now. I'll get it up in the air first, and I'll show you what the exhaust looks like on. Still got to make that little bracket, I believe, although it seems fairly stable on there. So yeah, just bear with me just a sec. I'll show you what I've been doing. So, back box is on, which is a nice job done, obviously, for the MOT when that's due. I've also, as well, this week, I've put that window sill in. Yet to find out whether it's leaking or not. So, didn't take long, did it? Before it. So, grinder's caught on something underneath the van. I've dropped the grinder, but it's carried on. Caught up in my long sleeve top. Took a massive. So just be careful when you're underneath. Don't do what I've just done. Yeah, don't do what I've just done. Mind you, the other day when I was putting the exhaust on, I only bought cheap. I know now what spanners are rating probably in price. I bought a cheap set, and I obviously I bought that cheap set from the range, I think it was, or something like that. and I was doing up a 30mm bolt. The screwdriver snap, the 30mm spanner snapped, and I ended up hitting myself in the face with the others and give myself a bloody lip. So you can see why tools are expensive. So I hope you can see all under here. So it's solid really, to be fair. There's a little bit of surface rust and things like that, but you know, this is going to be a job well worth doing. I did the opposite side. If you can remember, I left this side because I ran out of paint. It's just little bits of surface rust, but with this covered over it, you know, it should last many years to come. Good thick metal, give it a good coat. So it's quite an enjoyable job actually. You get a bit dirty. You get a bit dirty doing it, and I nearly took my arm off, didn't I? So as well with the grinder, don't wear baggy tops when grinding in confined spaces, in case you're going to catch something underneath here and it's going to try and throw the grinder out your hand. So try and keep everything at arm's length. As a tip from me today, try and keep your body and your face and everything out of the way when you're doing that kind of thing, because yeah, try and keep your body and your face and everything out of the way, so that's not gonna, that cat's caught up in something, it's nearly tried to rip my arm off. Yeah, tip of the day, don't be an idiot like me. Get someone else to do it. Well, I'm going to carry on with that then, and that'll be that done today, I think. So for the underbody sealer, I'm using this stuff, and for the matter of fact, it was the only stuff I could get. It works at the same price as the other stuff I use. I'll try and find a picture of what I used before. I can't quite remember the name now, but I've just started using it, and I'll be honest, it's a much better product. So if it's a choice between the two when you go out, get this stuff. It brushes on so much more easier than the stuff I had before. If you watch my other videos, you'll see the stuff I was using, but it was an absolute pain to get on. But this actually, it goes on really nice. So I'm happy with what I bought there. Comes in a bigger tub as well. But yeah, price wise, pretty much identical to the stuff I used before. Right in, that's it underneath, all done. You've seen it in the other videos though, so it's not nothing that I haven't showed you before. But that's its under seal. It's a good job. I'm gonna give that another coat tomorrow, and I think moving forward on this van, when I do start doing things on the inside, I might put the water tank or the grey waste this side. And I think what I'm going to do, yeah, I know what I think I'm going to do, the opposite side, the sliding door side, which I've already undersealed a few months ago. I think I am going to put, and when I get a diesel heater, I'm going to put that outside going in. So there'll be the inlet pipe will go in there, up through the bed, in the rock and roll bed in the back, and out this way. And the reason, I didn't realise you could mount these diesel heaters underneath the van until I watched another couple of videos. But obviously with my little van, any bit of space inside's like gold dust, isn't it? So space is at a premium, isn't it, when you're doing a smaller van. So I think I'm going to have a go at making a box for it when I get it eventually, and doing it that way. I'm putting it all underneath the van. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about that idea, and if you've done it, put some links in some videos and I'll have a look how they've done it. Guys, that's probably going to be me done for this week. I'm going to give that another coat tomorrow, but I'm not going to video it. And I'm going to take this the window out on this side, quickly show you. Going to take that window out again, measure the seals. I may do a quick video of how you measure the seals. I didn't know the other day until I had a look on YouTube though. I'll show you how you measure the seals, and I can get those ordered, and I'm going to start working on the inside and doing jobs like that. So guys, Thank you very much for watching. 209 subscribers now, so thank you for everyone for your support if you've got this far in the video. Like, comment, and you know what, if you've watched for and you got to the end of this video, you know what, please subscribe. Try and put a video on most weeks of my progress. Yeah, so thank you. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget, get us on Instagram, VW Polygrey, and I'll catch you guys soon next weekend, hopefully. See you all. Ta-ra.